Hi, I'm Chris Ross with Chasm, and today we're going to talk about the awesomeness that is webhooks. A webhook is a way to communicate between systems through a push instead of a pull, like with an API. When using an API call, the receiving system needs to continually ask if there are any updates, which can take up bandwidth and really isn't necessary for some applications. With a webhook, however, there's no need to keep asking for new data because the system will just receive it whenever a change occurs. Pretty simple. So to illustrate how this works, I've set up an easy example that will trigger a series of events when a transponder enters a specific area. Here I've got a peanut crate, which has peanuts, and it cannot enter this nut-free zone here. On the transponders page, under the peanut, you can see I've set up a special alert that just says, this transponder cannot enter this zone for even 0 minutes, or else an alert will occur. On the webhooks page up here in the top right, you can access how to create a webhook or edit the current one. Here I've got the URI where the webhook is going to be sent. It's going to only trigger off of area violations, and here are any additional headers that we can add in. I'm going to save that, jump back to the map. So this webhook is currently set up to send to my smart device, and it will set off an audio alert and change the color of the lights in my room and even send a SMS message to my phone with the details of the alert. So let's do that. Let's move this transponder in. And we should see, I should receive a new message. There it is.
Warning, a transponder is now in alert.
And the SMS message says peanut crate entered area named nut-free zone at, and it gives the time. So that's how you do webhooks in Locera. As you can see, they're super easy and can be used for a large variety of tasks. And if you want to learn more about Locera, please check out locera.io.